Pops, Papa, Papa, Daddy. I'm going to get my coffee before working out. So, this is the coffee beans. Nag-extract na ako here. So, samahan niyo akong gumawa ng kape ko. Okay? I'll make my favorite Americano with 2 sweetener. Splenda. Para ano. Come here guys, we're open till 12. That's Ibony. Hi. Ganda no? Super pretty. Sali na natin. Shake natin ng ganon. And then gamitan natin ito para magpantay siya kasi hindi siya pantay eh. Ano nyo makita, di ba? Here oh, gaganyan nyo lang tapos iikot. Oh, pantay na siya. And then we'll press it with this. See? Tapos i-extract na natin the bazo. We're open till 12 midnight. Then, 2 Splenda. We have lots of Splenda. So, sa mga hindi mahilig yung masyadong matamis, this is the alternative. Punta kayo here guys. And then wait. We'll put it first here para mahalo na siya. I put 2 or sometimes 1.5. See? And then i-extract na natin. Okay, I'll show you yung itsura niya pag nag-extract. We're on Grab guys, you can order. I'll make your coffee. Go, go, go. Okay, it's done. Here it is. Then, we'll halo it. Oh, go to cafe shop daw nila to. Thank you. We'll halo it. Tinanda na ni Ibony yung water. We'll mix it para yung sugar maghalo. We're on Grab, guys. Can you put me ice, please? Thank you. Loves you. Kasi ako sino kaya o-order sa Grab? Malalaman ko ngayon kung sinong o-order. Here. Order kayo guys. We'll prepare it. Order kayo, we'll prepare it. And then, we will salon it. Order kayo sa Grab guys. We'll prepare it now. Kapag nag-push through. Tara! Hi John, and then we'll put water. This is the water. Water. We need more. Half cup. Order na kayo sa Grab, guys. Bataan daw yung deliver. Sige. Okay. Then, may halo ulit. Ito na siya. Matapang, kaya ka ipaglaban. Isabela daw yung delivery. Anong sagot mo doon, Ivany?
Sige po, magrororo po ako.
Oh, ayun, magrororo naman daw siya, willing. And then, we will takip it. We will takip it. So may rule kami when putting cup lids sa mga cup namin. It should be the butas, this one where you zip, should be facing the logo. Why? Para when you drink when you drink through this glass, mababasa mo yung name. Like that. Diba? Kasi pag ganito, hindi mo mababasa, diba? I mean, only the logo. So, kailangan yung takip, nakaharap siya. Basta yun na yun. Huwag kayong ano. Huwag na kayong ano. I-explain. Okay. And my extra. Wala namang umorder eh. Umorder na kayo. Makikita namin to dito sa Grab. Go guys. I'll see it. Gagawa ako ng kape ngayon.
Ayaw na namin, sir.
Oh, wow. Ang dami naming coins. How much? Nasa Grab, guys. Nasa Grab. Go, go, go. This is my coffee. Americano with Splenda.
Bilang ka kahit ano.
Kaya ba ng Jensan ang delivery? Kaya po.
Hawk pa na.
Kaya, same day delivery. Si Grace ang magde-deliver. That's Grace. Si Grace pa magde-deliver sa Jensan. Ang dami na naming pastries, guys. And we have 2 new pastries. Ito yung bagong bestseller namin. So this one is the ube cookie. That one. And then the le cookie. So that is croissant and cookie. That's why it's called cookie. And then of course our bestseller tarta cake. Tapos itong cheesy mamon, also my favorite. Egg tart, a lot of people order that. And of course ang napakasarap naming cookies. And ito favorite ko to guys, the pistachio. That one. And itong pan o chocolate. We have croissant and then this one, Korean cream cheese garlic bun. That's super yummy. We also have another cake here, choco crema and truffle flatbread. There you go. Those are displays lang guys ha. Those are real. Those are real, pero inisprayan namin siya para tumigas. Kasi I tried na magpagawa nung, alam niyo yung parang sa Japan, yung fake na display. Kaya lang nagmukha siyang school project, ang pangit. Sayang pera. But, yeah. Ayun. So, hi August! So, ayan. This is my drink. Wala pa ding umu-order sa Grab. Inaantay ko. Alis na ako. Hindi na ako makagawa ng drink. Go guys. Order now. Order now. 6 months to pay. Si selfie naman si Ate Grace. Sabi. Yung Giselle. Nagsiselfie ka daw. Alam, tapon. Sorry. Naka-break daw siya. Nag-jibble lang daw siya. Pistachio. Yes, go guys. Order na kayo pala. I can make your drink. Naku, wala po ako sa Grab eh. Kung nasa Grab lang ako, na-deliver ko na yung sarili ko.
Kung mag-review.
Ano? Why?
Kina-check ko lang
Kung ano yung mga available. Tawa kayo dyan. Okay. Ganda rin ang baso namin, no, pag dine-in comes. This is for dine-in. Wala. Sila pala yung lumakad kanina. Super nice. Si R. After this bar zero, there's a public restroom.
Sa left po.
Yeah. Ayun yung girls. You'll see. Hi guys! Bye! Mag-hi tayo. Pag lumingon sila. Hindi lumingon eh. Kanina lumingon sila eh. Wala na, oh. Umalis na sila. Bye guys! O mga galing ata sila ng school. Si Kokoy, oh. Koy! Go guys, order na kayo sa Grab. I'll give you na lang 3 things that matters here sa store. This line matters, this one sa machine. Kasi we put our... Kung wala to, mahirapan kami. Kasi we put our receipts here. So every time may order, we put the receipts here. And then, saka nila gagawin yung kape. So ibig sabihin, kapag may umorder, dito sila titingin. O kaya kunyari, si cashier, nag-take siya ng order, after nun, ilalagay niya yun dito, isusuksok niya. Tapos pausok ng pausok. Hanggang makarating yun doon sa kanto ng Greenfield. Natamad na naman ako mag-gym. Grab. Hi, Miro. Coffee Blank is the name of the store. Bakit? Nagtanong ba? Narinig nyo ba yun? May umorder na sa Grab. Ang order niya ay... super zoom. 1 chocolate mocha and 1 classic tarta and 1 black and white sea salt latte. Okay, let's make coffee and classic tarta. We'll prepare it for you. Sino tong umorder na to?
Cyril.
Si Cyril Esteves. Thank you, Lards you. Okay, let's order. Let's order. Let's make one. Let's extract. More order. Hanggat nandito ako. May umorder na. I'll make this one for ya.
Sorry. Pero okay lang po kung pwede pa po inaso namin yung aircon sa amin.
Oh yeah.
Okay lang po.
Sure. No problem. Is it too cold? Alright. Good problem, di ba? Gusto mo yun? Pahina daw po ng aircon sa taas. Kasi yung third floor namin, Mount Everest na guys. Palamig na palamig. Ito na lang din.
Oo, sir.
Okay. I'll make black and white. So, this is the activated charcoal. Parang ganito siya guys, oh. Kaya siya black and white. It's called activated charcoal. And then, pwede nyo siyang makain. Puputi yung ipin nyo. Tapos ito yung para magawa namin yung logo ng Coffee Black. Nga ganun na. 1 tarta, please. And then, what else? Ito ba yan? And then, white chocolate mocha. Go guys, order na kayo. Oy, happy birthday, Josh. Come here. If you have blank blue card, you will have free coffee or pastry. If you have this blank blue card. So a lot of people are asking, what is this? So this is a community card or like membership card. So if you avail this for 150 pesos, you will have a lifetime Wi-Fi access. And then, meron din siyang cashback every time you purchase. Every 30 pesos, meron kang 1 peso. And then, once you accumulate it, you can use it to buy pastry, drinks, or food. And then, every birthday mo, meron kang free drink or cake. So, yun. We have thousands of, members. Super happy. Really a growing community. Okay. So, ganito siya. Guys, para maging black siya, hinalo siya dun sa espresso. So, ayan, no? So, papatagalin mo muna siya hanggang mag-black siya. Okay? Here. And then, another one. For white chocolate mocha. Wait. Look at this, guys. Go. Ooh. Diba? It's black and white na. And then, we will put sea salt. Which one here? What? Then this is our sea salt. So this is our sea salt. Masarap to guys. Parang yung mga nilalagay on top of milk tea. Sea salt cream. Nilapit ko lang na phone. Pakita ko sa pati yung stand. Thank you. So, as you can see, para maging creamy siya, ganyan. See that? And then, we'll put it sa drink. Sorry, Cyril ha. Kung nandiyan ka man. Ang tagal ng order mo. Kasi may tutorial kami. Hi! May tutorial kami. Okay, check this out, guys. Wait. There you go. Coffee black. So, we will put this. Tama no? Ito na. Ooh. See that? Yummy. And then, will put this for the... Kita nyo ba guys? Oops.
Sino ba yung sagot si Cynthia?
Tcharam! Ooh. Perfect, di ba? Then, takpan na natin. This is for Cyril. White chocolate mocha na lang. Sorry guys, ang bagal. Nag-tutorial kasi tayo. Dito ba si Cyril? Okay, and then this is the tarta cake. Ayun na pala yung white chocolate mo. Tcharam! Hindi nyo makikita. So, ipapack na namin. Go guys, order and grab. Cutesy. Very cutesy. Very mindful. Classmate, how are you? Guys, order na kayo guys. We're on Grab. Hi from Guam. Hi Jimmy. Oh, after bar zero. Yeah. Thank you. Pet ko na guys. May pangana ulit ako. Thank you Lord for the pangano. Parang o-order si DJB sa Grab. Parang iwi-wait ko. What's that? What's your order?
One, sir, and
One Spanish.
total of 954.7.
Dalawa na po.
31,000. Buy you have 5 pesos na lang, sir. 5 pesos. Yes, ako ka lang. Ay,
Thank you guys. Thank you. Uulan na naman. Para ko order si DJB talaga ngayon. Niintay ko lang. Ay, may isa pang order. Ay, wala pala. Joke lang. Kala ko lang meron. Hi, Leo. Ba't sa akin kayo umorder sa Grab? Sa akin sila umorder. Guys, sa Grab po, sa Grab. We're on Grab. Pamain na lang po, guys. How many drinks? 1, biscuit, and truffle pasta. Okay, for those of you who didn't know kung ano yung nasa menu namin, I'll show you. Wait lang. Hi, Artsy. Okay. Delivery daw. Grace, we have delivery daw. Check it. Okay, I'm gonna show you our menu. And this is Grace. This is our menu, guys. So when you enter, you will see this screen where you can see our drinks. Basically, these are the specialty coffee. And then, this is our coffee free. Kulang pa to, guys. Mga 9 na yung coffee free namin na ilalagay dyan. But nandito naman siya yung iba. Here. Ito yung iba. And then, we also have entree. Here, meron kaming cheesy putin. You can pindot-pindot it. We have classic eggs Benedict. We also have this eggs Florentine. We also have my favorite chicken ciabatta. It comes with gulay, the bread, the chicken, and the fries. Not fries, parang mojos. And then we also have grilled pesto and tuna ciabatta. And then we also have pasta. No. Kulang pa to. Meron pa kaming charan, continental breakfast. So may waffle, may bread, merong bacon, may egg, may gulay, and merong sausage. And then we also have pastas. All-time favorite truffle pasta. We also have seafood aglio olio. We also have sausage ricotta, which is very good. Very cheesy to. Yummy. And then all our pastries. There you go. So when you order, you can browse here. There. Now you know. Hala, Cyril, nasa na yung Grab mo? Hello, Escala Bear. 11 p.m. Hindi. Kasi? Hair is getting long. I need na. Wala kaming Food Panda, but we're on Grab, guys. Okay. Guys, I need to go to the gym. So that's just it. Next time na ulit ang part 2 ng tour. Na-tour ko na kayo. We're open till 12 today. 12 midnight. So I'll see you guys here later. Mag-gym lang ako. Okay? Ciao. Ciao. It's in Greenfield, Mandaluyong. Bye guys. Larbs you. Thanks for watching.